Starting your investment journey doesn't require a mountain of cash. Just a bit of knowledge and $100 can set you on the path toward building your financial future. Here are 5 simple steps to get started.
First, define your goals. Ask yourself what you're investing for and how long you plan to leave your money invested. Are you aiming to save for a vacation next year or building long-term wealth for retirement? Clarifying your goals will help you set realistic expectations and choose the right investment products.
Second, educate yourself on the basics. Even with a small amount, it's important to understand investment options. Learn about stocks, bonds, exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs, and mutual funds. Each has different levels of risk and potential returns. Free online resources, podcasts, and investment apps can help you get a foundational grasp in no time.
Next, choose an investing platform that doesn't require a high minimum balance. Today, many online brokers and investment apps allow you to open an account and start investing with just $100 or less. Look for platforms with low or zero commission fees and simple interfaces. Many also allow you to buy fractional shares, so you don't need hundreds of dollars to start with popular high-priced stocks.
Fourth, diversify your investment. Rather than putting all your money into a single stock, consider spreading it across different sectors or investing in broad market ETFs. This diversification spreads risk, helping to protect your investment should one part of the market underperform.
Finally, commit to consistency. After investing your first $100, set a plan to add small amounts regularly, weekly, monthly, or whenever you can. Over time, even modest contributions grow through the power of compounding returns. Remember, patience and consistency are your best allies on the journey to building wealth. With these 5 steps, you'll be on your way to becoming a confident investor, no matter your starting amount.